Michael Gorkhali. So today in this tutorial I am gonna show you how to set custom URL for your channel. So as you can see, I am in the home page. So to enable custom URL, the first thing is that your channel should be 30 days old and you should have minimum 100 subscribers. So I have opened the channel just to show you that thing. So first of all, click on this logo and you will see this bar. So click on this Creator Studio option. After you just click on Creator Studio, you will see the dashboard of your channel. After that, click on this channel icon. Then here you will see custom URL option, and here's the option to enable it. Click and enable. Now here certain you are eligible for a custom URL because my channel is 31 days old already and it has more than 150 subscribers. So now I'm gonna set a custom URL. So it will be youtube.com/cricketnepal. So okay, I have changed it successfully. Now you can see I'll open a new tab and I'll write youtube.com/cricket cricket NEPAL, and I pressed enter. Now you can see my channel will be opened here. It's the same channel which is just down here. So in this way it will be easy for you to get more views and subscribers to your channel. It's taking a bit time because it's the first time. So look, here is the same channel which I have just shown now. So this much in this today's tutorial. Before leaving that, I'm gonna show you that it's exactly my channel which I have just shown here. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any comments or problem, you can just write in the comment section below, and don't forget to